Welcome back to another video, everyone. So today I'm just making a quick video of the two trades that I took yesterday and today. I just took one. It's Tuesday right now, and I took one trade yesterday on both the Apex PA account and the new Topstep XFA. So yeah, so today I can just go through it. I was thinking about taking a long off of this point of control zone, but it was close to open, and the only reason why is because we came down, we almost tapped the point of control zone, got bought right back up, then came down, retested this area, and it was a point of control zone that we bounced. And then I was gonna get in on the bounce, and you can see it would have been a very nice trade. I probably would have just taken it up to, if I got in here, probably like 40 points up to that high, but yeah, I didn't get in. I waited patiently for another setup, and we finally got it. I was waiting for this point of control zone to get broken through, and then now this one. We got the close above, but ES, you can see, did not close above this point of control zone. Then the next candle we finally did, and I know NQ didn't look the best, but since ES closed above this point of control zone, and we were so bullish this morning, I was confident in a long, but I don't have the recording of the trade, which I really wish I did. It just happened really quickly, and I didn't get to do that. But right now it looks like a good long. But we closed above, and then I waited for the reaction on the retest of the point of control zone before getting in. So obviously I didn't get in right at the point of control zone, or even right at the point of control zone when ES retraced back into it. But once we started buying back up a little bit, I got in one contract NQ, and it was the same trade that I took in the PA account and XFA. I just took it at the same time, and yeah, so we got in, and then I was holding up to this point of control zone. ES got a very big buying momentum, and we pretty much just got out when we came up to this area. I didn't have to wait until we got to this point of control zone, and yeah, so I just waited until we got that little pop. We did, and I got out around here in NQ, which was, I think it was around like 14 points. I don't know. It was a small trade. The volume kind of died down after this push, and I was actually thinking about getting into two contracts because we were in such a tight range right here, but I'm glad I made $230 on the PA account, and then I think it was like $235 in the XFA. So good trade today, and I'm glad I got that second $200 winning day for the XFA. We're on our way to that payout, and yeah, so now we can go to yesterday's trade. It was a quick little scalp again in the morning. It was a short, I believe. It was right off of open. Yep. Let me see. Monday. Yeah, right here. Okay. Yeah, it was right off of open. So at 9:30, 9:30 we were above this point of control zone in NQ. Close above, and then we close below at 9:30 in ES. So we were kind of right off of open. We were not correlated, I guess. So NQ was looking bullish, ES was looking bearish. I wanted to stay out of it. But then NQ got a lot of selling pressure, so and ES continued that selling pressure. So shorts looked really good. And then yeah, right here, NQ closed below this point of control zone. This candle was a good bearish close on ES. All the Mag 7 stocks were down. And then I just waited until the retest on this point of control zone. We got a little bounce. I got in like around here. Stop was at this high. And then you can see we were in drawdown for a little bit. And then we closed. I was about to take this trade off when we closed the candle right here. But I was so bearish here, and I wanted to wait maybe like a few more seconds after this candle closed, and I'm super glad I did, because once this candle closed, we got that big flush down, and I got out around like here or something, or like here, so it was like 20-ish, 25, 30 points. So that was a really good trade, and it was unfortunate because yesterday was the first day I was trading the XFA, and I wanted to trade both my PA account and the XFA. I was in this trade in my PA account, but then I was trying to get into 5 micros in the XFA, but apparently you can't do that because of the scaling plan. So I missed out on the first entry. I was out. Once I was out in the PA account, I went into the XFA, and after this candle closed below this point of control zone, I was still super bearish, and I was targeting this low. So after that trade, I went to the XFA and I got in. It was probably a little FOMO and emotional trading, but yeah, I just got in like it was down here or something. My stop would have been above this point of control zone, and fortunately we just got that flush right down to that low. So that was a good trade on the XFA. We made 270, and then in the PA account I was in like 5 micros, so we didn't make as much. I think we made like 180 or 160, but still decent trade in the morning. The price action was a little choppy, but I'm glad we found some profit and we found a good trade. We were definitely very, very patient here. Maybe a little emotional trading, but I'm glad it worked out. Hopefully I don't do that again, since I've got the scaling plan down. I understand it now. I think once you make 1,500, you can move up to like 3 contracts, and then once you make 2,000, you're up to 5 contracts. So right now I'm just trading with 1 NQ, and so far it's going well. We've got 2 $200 days booked, 270 and 230, and then so that's already what, $500 there. And then the PA account, we're up 230 today, and we're up to pretty much 5,000 in the account, starting from 150. So yeah, I'm really happy with my trading so far. Hopefully we can get that payout in the XFA. That would be super cool. And then finish my 4th payout in the PA account. So yeah, that is pretty much it today, and I will see you guys tomorrow.